Hey folks, Mr. Tolly. Got another product from Feyachi. A while back I did a review on their the RDS 22 micro red dot sight. That's residing on my 300 blackout AR right now. And I still haven't had a chance to get that to the range. It's just been kind of icky out, and I just haven't had time on the days when it's been nice, because springtime in Minnesota, man, there's a lot of things I got to get done. And with school and all. But I have another product here, and this is the FL9 900 lumen weapon light. Comes with a, well, let's open it up. It's a pretty all-inclusive kit. Comes as a flashlight. It comes with two, I believe they are 18650 batteries. Pretty good sized battery anyway. Comes with two of them. Only takes one. So let's put one in right away. Does not tell me which way it goes, but the battery is marked. Yep, they're 18650, 2200 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt. They're marked positive and negative. Usually the positive will go down, even though it's not marked. And I don't see any instructions in here at all. So it should be pretty self-explanatory. It looks like everything that needs to be sealed is sealed. There's a O-ring back here. There's an O-ring on the bezel up here by the lens. So let's screw this together. Quick take it apart up here, make sure there's an O-ring there. Yep. O-ring up here. So this should be reasonably waterproof, at least water resistant. I can feel an O-ring in there too. Yep, O-ring in here too. So I'm saying it's at least water resistant. Try not to blind you here. Pops right on. And it's a nice bright white light. Does say it's 900 lumens. It's a pretty nice light. Good solid aluminum housing. The battery rattles a little in there. An easy way to take care of that is put a little black electrical tape, just wrap once around it, and that's usually enough to stop it from rattling inside there and still be able to come in and out okay. So that's the light. It does have the strangulation cord on here. If you're going to use it as a flashlight, it's nice to have that to hang on to. I am not going to, because it comes as a weapon light, and that's how I'm going to use it. I've never been a fan of pressure switches. It does, however, come with a pressure switch. So I'll put it on there real quick. Let's see how it works. I have had this out. It is really bright. I had it out in the dark the other day, and it was pretty bright out in the backyard. So it's the elastic kind. If you press up here, it's a regular switch, so it switches on and off. If you push down here, it's a momentary switch. I really like that feature, but I'm not a fan of having stuff that can get tangled up in things. Plus, it's like my shotgun. I've got a tactile shotgun that I keep in my house. The light on that isn't as bright as this. It's 150 lumen light on it. And I have the butt cap activation on it. And when I hold that, my thumb is in such a position that I can just quick reach up and pop the light. And that's how I'm going to set it up on here, hopefully. That's the way it'll work. Along with the two batteries for it, which I think is awesome to have two batteries for it. It also comes with a charger. Not sure how well the charger works. There's only so much to a charger. There's a small circuit board in there. It does have a light to tell you when it's charging. I would imagine that it probably changes colors. It is marked positive here, so you know you got the battery in the right way. I presume this will be the mount. So it comes with a mount and the hex key to mount this to your rifle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I will do that off camera because that'll take a minute or two, and I'll show it to you once it's on the gun. So here it is, folks. There it is on the 300 blackout. I think it looks pretty good on there. Can't wait to get it out and do a little shooting, see how it holds up. The red dot's been pretty nice. I like it. I think this is going to be a nice addition to a protection, my personal protection AR. I can't wait to get it to the range. The push button isn't quite where I wanted it, but it's in a pretty good spot. I can, you know, when I'm holding it, it's in a good spot for when I'm shouldering the rifle. I can reach down fairly easily and just hit it. But I don't know. I may try to figure out a way to use the pressure switch and get that mounted in a way that it's not interfering with anything. It's my thought anyhow. We'll see. Pin was coming out. So I'll see how that works out. But till then, I'll be looking for some video. I'm going to be doing some video on this particular rifle too. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Have a great afternoon. And we'll catch you in the next one. Feyachi FL9 900 lumen weapon light. I'll leave a link below to where you can buy it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.